If you've got a project underway and a problem to solve, it can turn into creative combustion. In fact, for one West Jordan mom, it was what to do for a fast and inexpensive child's birthday party. Her creative light bulb moment turned into a glow-in-the-dark party. And the details, well, they are in today's Studio 5 Project Corner.
Hello, Studio 5. My name is Carli Lewis, and I'm really excited to share with you a fun party idea. I did this party idea for my 7-year-old's birthday party a few weeks back, but it could be a great teenager party or even for adults. It all started with glow bracelets for me, and then it just took off from there. Some of the things I found were glow-in-the-dark balloons, glow-in-the-dark eye masks, glow-in-the-dark wands, rings. You even had glow-in-the-dark paint. With the spray paint, you could write a message on your lawn as guests arrived to see. With the acrylic paint, you could have them do some type of craft or painting project. Have your guests come in white shirts, because once you turn the lights off, turn the black lights on, and that disco ball, it's gonna be a huge hit. Turn the music on, have a little fun dancing, and your guests will just love it. I wanna say I spent maybe about $60 on this party, and I probably could have spent a little bit less, and I definitely could have spent more. People are talking about it for days, and I'm ready to throw another one.
Okay, is the party over? Because I totally want to jam and join. How cute were those kids lit up from the inside out, just dancing around the living room? That's all you need for a fun party activity, right? Some glow sticks, some get your glow on, and some good music. I'm sure the theme song from Trolls was playing. That's just my guess there on that soundtrack, that party soundtrack. Thank you, Carli, so much for sharing.